Good morning, Miss Yvonne.
Good morning, Miss Yvonne.
What book? Oh, really? Okay, got it. All right. Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Yvonne.
Okay, you guys, take out your books first. Let me go grab something downstairs,
Okay. Can't you guys see the frog and the rabbit on the whiteboard? Are they lagging?
You might not be the TYK today.
Oh yeah, TYK. We have TYK today. TYK today. No, I don't want TYK. Forgot to study. Laggy.
But why did you have a copy of water?
I saw it when I was
Okay, then I'll go over this.
young. Are we on the face? Literally, this looks like you're like on the face. No, I'll show you.
Right. Okay. Welcome back. Turn on the projector. Oh. Kusen.
Good morning, Miss Yvonne.
Morning. Okay, Vila.
Miss, I don't think I can unmute for a little bit because my background is a bit loud.
It's okay. Anyway, happy Tamil New Year.
New Year.
Anisha's not here.
Yeah, that's not good because that's go to
Avinash is not here. He's probably like Avinash is
No, it's online.
Oh yeah. Avinash is not here.
So Danny should be online.
I hope
We don't know.
Avinash is online.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably yes. I don't know how it's going. Avinash is online.
Who will come on Monday? Can I know who will come on Monday? Can you raise your hand? Eva will come. Sakshi.
I'm not coming on.
Priscilla. Andrea, you?
I'm gonna be absent on Monday.
Sorry, who's coming online for physical for those?
I'm not coming online or physical. I'm gonna be absent on Monday.
You'll be absent on Monday. Why?
Because we're moving houses and then I cannot go because nobody's gonna send me.
Okay, okay, got it. Those Edmund, will you come physically? Edmund was online since when? Yesterday. Edmund, will you come physically on Monday? Admin?
Yeah.
You will come, okay. Alright. Not many of you. No, because I want to do something on Monday. That's why I'm thinking like, is it worth the hassle or not? What?
Yeah, it's freezing.
Yeah, it is. Off the aircon now.
What are we doing on Monday?
Oh, you on all three?
Because I love the three aircon.
Why you off? We're all on three.
And because I love aircon, okay? Look, sometimes some people don't get aircon, like me. I got I get aircon, but then I have to wake up every 2 a.m. just to off it and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, sad. Wait up.
I also don't, and I'm happy about it. I'm stuck all day. Bro, I like that.
Yeah, I hate aircon actually. It makes me very weak.
Teacher,
Yes,
I don't
madam.
like aircon because it's very expensive.
It is. It takes up a lot of electricity. Okay, let's go. Open up your textbooks to page. We try to finish 2 topics today, can I? Okay, can. Easy. I feel its topics are easy. No, this week no TYK because Friday no school, right? Tomorrow no school, you all know, right? Yeah, so unfortunate. But
we decided the DYK was Wednesday.
but then but just like now there's no Wednesday class, right?
On Thursday because since Wednesday we don't have like.
So Wednesday was TY. So you guys now prefer TYK to be Monday or Thursday? Monday or Friday?
Friday.
Okay, let's take a poll.
No, not again.
Okay, wait, again, because again the timetable is changing and I'm so annoyed. Yeah, I wish it was every
Miss,
Monday
we just did a poll.
because now the
Actually, they have to change our
I
timetable.
don't
I like the
understand
old
this.
timetable
Why
better.
the school have to change the
yeah, exactly.
timetable?
It's so stressful for us teachers also actually.
Hello.
Because when you memorize the whole timetable and then
Yes.
We just memorized the whole timetable.
me too. I always memorize
Teachers.
and then it just change it. Now my
Everything goes to us also. Okay, now for you guys.
Teacher, why not?
Okay, Havinash.
Oh no.
Okay, wait up. Let me launch the poll.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. Okay, now please vote which. Okay, for those physically, every Monday raise your hand. Mondays. Who wants test of knowledge on Mondays? Okay, 1. On Fridays. Every Friday. Eva. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. But the thing is, do we have science on Wednesday? Then how do we have test of knowledge on Wednesday? No. I just I'm asking you guys which one you all prefer. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys can see my screen, right? Clearly what days is falling. Okay, so Fridays, huh? So, but on Fridays, many of you are online, right?
Miss, we choose Friday, Miss, so we don't have to write.
I choose Friday. I choose Monday because I don't want to use physical when I do testing hours.
Okay. But many of you choose Friday. See, like the difference you see is so high. I think we go with. No, sure, man. They have their reasons. Okay, guys, y'all chose correctly, right? I'll go with the majority. I won't go by one person's opinion. I'll go with everyone's. So, y'all correct, right? Okay, Fridays win. Even the class also majority Fridays. Okay, now let's open up to page 44 and 45. Okay, so today we'll be learning 2 topics. Okay, take out your textbooks and your highlighters. Eva, stop that. It's enough already. Okay, enough. I don't want to waste time talking only about test knowledge.
But we're not going to be able to do the test and knowledge tomorrow because of the holiday, right?
Yeah, tomorrow we are not. Okay, so it's only starting next week. Okay. Mixing and separating solids. Okay, these 2 topics is actually pretty easy. Let's go. Okay, the objective for today would be, number 1 is to understand that a mixture contains 2 or more substances, but not changed in any way. All right, class, when you mix sand and let's say you mix sugar, does sand and sugar produce something new or it's still sand and sugar?
Sand and sugar.
Exactly, it's still sand and sugar. Okay, unless if you mix a solid and water. It could dissolve, it could not dissolve. That's another thing we'll learn after this. Okay, the next one. We'll learn that most solid mixtures can be separated by sieving or magnetic separation. Okay, class, what is sieving?
Sieving is
Sieving
Like
the
the one,
thing where you get
yes.
where only the water goes.
Yes, very good. Okay, sieving is the one, you know, sometimes your mom, when they want to bake, they sieve the flour, right? To take out any
The
dirty.
hot part of the flour out of it. And
Exactly.
Or you just want to take out the pulp from the thing, from the
Yes,
orange juice.
exactly. Very good. Okay, what about magnetic separation, class?
that
Obviously,
means it's like
yes,
there's
huh?
metal in
Yeah.
Separate
other thing,
magnets.
and then
Okay, all right. Open up to page 44 and 45. Okay, let's go. Let's not waste further time. Okay, a mixture contains two or more substances that are not joined together and which do not react to form any new substance. Okay, class, I want you to only highlight the first sentence. A mixture contains two or more substances that are not joined together and which do not react to form any new substance. Highlight, a mixture contains two or more substances that are not joined together and which do not react to form any new substance. Okay, mixtures can be formed by combining solids, liquid, and gases, or any combination of these. Anything you mix is a mixture. Okay, but now we are only talking about solids. Solid pieces of one substance can mix with solid pieces of another substance. Example, let's say chickpeas. You guys know what's chickpeas or not? You all like to eat chickpeas? Yes, exactly. In Japanese food, I think even in Indian food, you guys have dal, right? You know what's dal, right? Okay, dal is lentils. Ah, in Lebanese food, exactly. Okay, what about mixed herbs? When you mix herbs, you guys see herbs right at home? Okay, mixed herbs as well. Yes,
Esther James is here. Esther James is in our class.
you're not supposed to be here, Mr. James. Go join your class. Actually, why? Only in science or? Where is Esther James confused what class is she in? But she's in year 4, you know. Okay, never mind. Give some example of solid mixtures, class. What else can you think of? What mixing? What? Anything? Anything common other than herbs? What else? Salts. Very good. Then
Sugar with coffee. You mix sugar with
coffee. Yes, exactly. Okay, very good. Easy. This topic very easy one. Okay. Because the pieces of a mixture are not joined together, we can usually separate them. Number one, we'll separate them with sieve. And number two is magnets. Okay. For the first one, a sieve is useful for separating mixtures of different size pieces. Okay, highlight. A sieve is useful for separating mixtures of different sized pieces. Highlight. A sieve is useful for separating mixtures of different size pieces. For example, if you drop too many raisins in a bowl of flour and sugar, when you were baking, you could sieve the mixture and the smaller pieces of flour and sugar would pass through. The raisins would be too large to go through and so they will be left behind. The picture shows some sieve that are used in daily life. Okay, for those who have no idea what the hell is sieve, here is sieve, okay? You have this type. This is what commonly used for what? Okay, pasta, very good. What else? Fruits. Do you wash your fruits with this? Yes, you can use. You wash your fruits. In the plastic? Oh, the one. Oh, okay. What about this one? B. What do you use this commonly for? C. Very good. What about this one? C. Indomie. You're making me hungry.
It's
All
used
right.
for pasta.
Pasta, that's very good. Yes, exactly. D. Is D also a type of sieve? Yes, kinda it is, because without this sieve, we would have all these tea leaves in our tea, and I hate that a lot.
yeah. They just take out.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Okay, anyone knows what is this E? Anyone? Don't know.
It's like when you go to the beach, and then
Yes,
the thing
okay.
has water, and then you can just pull it out, and then all the water will go out, and then it'll be
Yes. Okay, some people who do
Is it
rock
filtration? I'm not sure.
Yes, it's filtration. Okay, those who do rock collecting, rock collecting, they go around, find rocks. When they want to wash their rocks, they put their rocks first, then they wash it. Easy. You can use this for many reasons.
And then they put it in the water to cool off.
Exactly.
All the
What
water
about F? This is commonly used for what class?
But when you go crystal and then you got to go inside to fill
Yeah,
up water.
crystal. Exactly. Okay, good job. All right. So we already talked about number 2. Compare. Okay, this is number 3 is not really important. Okay. So far so good, or am I going too fast? Am I going too fast? Okay, right? Some solid mixtures cannot deceive. Instead, magnets are often used to separate magnetic materials from other ways. Okay, class, let's see if I were to use iron fillings. Okay, let's say iron in general. If I put a bunch of iron and mix it with flour, the fastest things to do is using a magnet. Okay, we might do this together. All right, highlight. Magnets are often used to separate magnetic materials from other ways. Highlight. Magnets are often used to separate magnetic materials from other ways. Yes, Daniel. Who knows lah? Suddenly, oops, I just dropped it. Okay, for example, in recycling plants, powerful magnets are used to separate iron and steel from aluminum. Okay, so basically in power plants, they use magnet a lot. Okay. Now, I want to like do this work but on Monday, but Monday so many of you not here. So how? Because Tuesday, huh? But Tuesday no class. Thursday we don't have science, do we? Oh yeah, Tuesday we don't have science. Oh, today is Thursday. So then why you guys said Tuesday? I also got confused because Tuesday is year 6 too. Let me think. Thursday, huh? Okay, Thursday then. All right. Is Danish coming today? No, not at all. Not at all. And not even online. Okay, all right. Okay, let's check our objective. Did we achieve them? Okay, number 1. A mixture contains 2 or more substances mixed together but not changed in any way. Did you understand that, class?
Yes.
Okay, number 2. Most solid mixtures can be separated easily using sieving or magnetic separation. Did you learn that, class? Okay, this topic is pretty simple. Anyone who wants to ask any question? Havinesh, do you understand whatever I just said? What do you understand, Havinesh? What is sieve, Havinesh? What is that? What is that? Okay, can see that. What's the point of a sieve, Sazoti?
Magnetic gain and power.
Okay, very good. Okay, Eva, what is magnetic separation?
Magnetic separation is when you use a magnet or something magnetic from another thing.
Okay, very good. Mika. Mika, what are you doing at the back? Mika, come sit in front, Mika. Clearly, you're not focusing if you're sitting at the back. See the Danish place today. Bring all your things. Just for today, Mika sitting there the whole day. Mika is lost. Well, Mika is doing something else at the back. What were you doing, Mika? Okay, Mika, tell me, what is a mixture? Don't see the screen.
More than one substance.
Okay, more than one substance. Good. All right, now, okay, let's enter a new topic. Okay, open up to page 46 and 47. This is where it gets more interesting. Now, I think it's boring for you. That's why you all just still so meh. Okay, mixing solids and water. Solids and water, for example, mixing sugar and water to make sugar water, mixing tea leaves into water, making tea, something like that. Okay, let's go. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, the objective for this is, number 1, we'll be able to understand that soluble substance dissolve in water, while insoluble substance do not dissolve in water. Okay, number 2, we'll understand that some solids react with water to produce new substances. Okay, let's go. Okay, 46 and 47. Okay, different solids behave in different ways when they are mixed with water. Some solids dissolve when you mix them with water, while others do not. Okay, class, anyone? Okay, Christina, do you understand what is soluble substance? soluble substance? Not really. Okay, online team, anyone who knows what is soluble substance?
Is it the
Soluble
substance that can
substance
dissolve in
is
water?
Yes, exactly. What about insoluble?
something
Then
that
they
cannot
cannot
dissolve
dissolve in
in
water.
water.
Okay, very good. All right, Sarah, give me an example of a soluble substance. Okay, very good. Okay, Avinish just joined. Avinish, check out your textbook. We already finished one topic, Avinish. Why are you late? Really? Is it because of Tamil New Year? No, not because of Tamil New Year. By the way, happy Tamil New Year for those who celebrating. Sanjay is celebrating as well. Got to Pongal Suru.
Thank you, miss.
Come on, eat Pongal Suru already. I love Pongal Suru.
I mainly love this day because I get to have poke because I love poke and rarely I can have it.
Oh, that's cool. You guys should bring some to school. Then at least we all can eat together. Okay. Now, materials that dissolve in water are said to be soluble, and those who do not dissolve in water is said to be insoluble. Okay, class, highlight this sentence. Materials that dissolve in water are said to be soluble, and those do not dissolve are said to be insoluble. Highlight. Materials that dissolve in water are said to be soluble, and those do not dissolve are said to be insoluble. Okay, let's check. Sawdust, class. Sawdust is soluble or insoluble? Are you all sure? Sure? Sure. Online team. Sawdust is soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Okay, yes. Sawdust is insoluble. Okay, what about salt? Soluble or insoluble? Soluble, exactly. Then how would you make your food? Right? How would you make curry or how would you make sambal if it's not soluble? Don't use salt. Okay. All right. What about flour, class? Is it soluble or insoluble?
It is soluble.
Of course it's soluble. If not, you would not have bread right now. Okay.
Oh my
Oh my god, mochi. I miss mochi right now. What about sand, class? Soluble or insoluble? Insoluble. Of course it's insoluble. But salt, class? Of course it's soluble. This is how bath bombs are also made. Okay. That's why you guys know what's bath bombs, right? Okay. Oh yeah. Munawi also just reach. Yeah, exactly. Okay, what about soap powder, class? Soluble, insoluble? Of course it's soluble. If not, your washing machine won't work right now, right? What about coffee? Soluble. Okay, wait. Zangi. Is tea soluble, Zangi? Not in your book. Tea soluble or not? Are you sure? No. Yes. Which one? Tea is soluble or not? Soluble. Okay, tea is soluble, Zangi. If not, you wouldn't have tea right now. Okay? Oh, yes, okay. Chalk dust, soluble or insoluble? Insoluble, okay. When a substance mixed with water but does not change, we can normally recover it from water, okay? For example, if you mix sawdust with water, you could recover the sawdust by pouring the mixture through a sieve. When a substance has dissolved in water, you can recover it by letting the water evaporate. This one I need to highlight because clearly it's just simple. If something is soluble, remember, you leave it to evaporate or boil. For example, sugar and water. But something that is insoluble, you just use a sieve. Easy. So far, so good? Okay, how would you, okay, this is out of topic. How would you separate oil and water?
Let the water evaporate?
No, because when you put oil into
filtration?
water, what happens? Oil will be on top. Okay. So what? How do you remove that? You can just pour it out. Exactly. Yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot it was that simple.
Yeah, it was that simple. Yes. What's that, Avnish? Yes, you can just scoop it out. Like for example, sometimes you go to a restaurant where you see some curries are all very oily, right? Usually like the first instinct you have, like I just want to remove some oil, you know, something like that. Yeah, actually oil makes what makes it.
What if I like oil?
Okay, why not? You know, it's up to you. Some people would like. Oh, butter chicken. Oh my. Okay, let's not talk about food. I'm so hungry right now. Okay. No, I'm not saying, but I cannot eat chicken. Okay, now some solids react. No, I mean for just for land season. Okay, some salt. What am I crapping? Okay, some solids react with water to form a new substance. For example, if you take your vitamin C tablet, right?
Yes, then it will dissolve.
Yes, it will produce
It
vitamin
will
C.
produce the vitamin C drink.
Very good. Okay,
That
class. I
is
want
very tasty.
it is.
Yes,
It's very tasty.
yes, it's actually more tasty than the vitamin C itself.
Oh
Exactly.
no, I
To be
prefer the
honest,
vitamin C tablets. Actually, I don't know why.
the tablets are nice, but I don't like the liquid one.
Oh, okay.
The
All
vitamin
right.
C itself.
Okay. Okay, class. Highlight some solids react with water to form a new substance. Highlight some solids react with water to form a new substance. When this happens, the change is irreversible and the original substance cannot be recovered from water. Okay, highlight the change is irreversible and the original substance cannot be recovered from water. Highlight the change is irreversible and the original substance cannot be recovered from water.
Wow, miss, water. Actually, wait, doesn't water already kill?
Sorry, Nitish, was that?
Never mind.
Okay, all right now. Okay, let's recap. What is soluble substance, class? What's the meaning?
It's a substance that can dissolve in water.
Okay, good. What about insoluble substance?
It's basically the opposite.
Okay, good. All right. What happens when, let's say, some solid they mix with water, they form a new substance? Is the change reversible or irreversible?
Irreversible.
Okay, very good. Now, I have a homework for all of you. First, take note of your homework. Okay, this is your homework. All right. Take out your exercise book. Okay. This is a research you can do at home. You can Google up these answers, no problem. The topic is cast for bone fractures and injuries. Okay, class, have you ever wondered how cast is made? It's actually a mixture of something and something. You guys go home and find out. Huh? It's not a bandage. It's actually made from a plaster.
It's kind of like
It-
plaster to
it's-
hold it
it's-
like really hard and
It's
hardened.
this thing here. It's
Exactly.
And
yeah,
they wrap
this
it in a
one.
lot of
Yeah,
bandages
yeah,
and they use
yeah.
like
these
cotton
things here.
Ah,
so you
The
feel
white stuff
comfortable.
here.
yes,
And
my
then they
dear.
use an oil to kind of like smoothen it. So you don't feel pain.
Uh-huh.
You take
The
the
cast.
from the soil.
That is so cool. That's very cool. Okay, so any of you have got your bones broken before? Anyone has worn a cast?
Yes.
Yes.
Aaron has.
Yeah.
Oh,
I have broken my arm.
How do they remove the cast?
It's a really painful thing because you
Yes,
can
it
feel
is.
it. Basically they sometimes they have to like cut it down
Uh-huh.
because it's really hard, and then they'll slowly take it out and apply like just a bit of plasters, and then
I have not worn a cast.
that's how you
before.
change it, because at the same time it's dirty and you need to
Yes,
change
it is.
the structure.
Yes,
to make it
exactly.
better.
Because I don't think I've ever worn a cast before.
Okay.
Well, you can also get
I feel
surgery.
lucky. But
Okay.
then eventually at some time I will have to.
Uh-huh.
Miss, I believe
Uh-huh.
I've never gotten a broken
Oh.
thing. What about a broken thing? Why?
Oh wow. Okay, yes, Daniel. Wait, yes, Daniel. Okay.
It's designing.
Oh really?
I don't want to do any flips.
Okay, yes, Azoti. Are you serious? Oh, so scary. Oh, yes, Sarah. Oh, it's like a hairline fracture, is it? Oh, but it's so scary. Touch it lah.
His finger.
Finger. Oh my god.
Unusual place to break.
How scary. Yes, online team. Anyone?
I think I've dislocated one of my.
Dislocated. Uh-huh.
I dislocated one of my fingers at once. I
Uh-huh.
think definitely.
How
But
scary.
yeah, I haven't broken any bones. But dislocating your finger feels weird. It doesn't hurt. It just
Does.
feels so weird.
It feels so
I've
weird.
fractured my arm before.
How scary. What's that?
I had a really bad
I couldn't do anything at all.
See?
Oh, cool.
Huh?
Ness,
That's my dear. What's that?
I think I know the reason why these people have these casts, miss. I have a reason why they broke
What?
their legs and hands.
Why?
I have one reason. It's because they didn't buy from us. They didn't buy from us.
Guys, what a promotional event. Munawi, are you taking down the questions? Write down in the book. This is your homework. Okay, this has to be submitted on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Next week, actually, I
I
want.
mean, I saw this on the EMS.
Okay.
I was confused on what it was.
Yes, it is. Yes. Okay, now this is what we will do today. Okay, I want okay, on Thursday. Wait, let me check. Let me check my mind. Let me ask my mind. Okay, actually, I wanted to do a challenge. You know, let's just like let's not only do testimony, let's do something fun as well. Okay, so I wanted to challenge all.
That's the thing, miss.
Okay, listen up. I want to challenge all of you to build a straw bridge. Do you know what's a straw bridge?
Yes, I know Strawbridge.
Okay. All right. So we will spend 2 classes on this, meaning the first class you guys can try to finish whatever you can, and the second class finish up, and the judge will pick the best straw bridge. Okay. So now,
We don't
after
have
you
straws.
all your homework questions, you can divide yourself into group. All right. I will later determine how many of you, but online, will you come physically next week? Anyone?
Maybe. I think either on Monday or Wednesday.
Monday or
No, miss,
Wednesday?
I'm coming physically Wednesday.
Wednesday, huh? So Thursday onwards?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we do like this lah. Whatever groups you guys have, let's say suddenly the online join, I will assign them into your groups, meaning they will go into your groups through me. I will decide who goes into what group. But for now, the physically students who are here, they determine what groups they want to be in. Then you guys can start discussing on the design of your bridge. Okay, for those who are wondering who gets what as a main prize, okay, there's only one winner, one group winner. Try to guess what's the prize.
Frogs.
Okay, all right. The winning team, all members of the winning team will win McDonald's coupons. Okay.
Miss,
Okay.
I don't think I need McDonald's coupons, miss.
Don't want? Okay, is this reward worthy? Is this reward worthy?
Yes.
One
Yes.
dish for one chocolate. I give you all 2 options.
No. McDonald's coupon.
McDonald's coupon.
McDonald's
Okay.
coupon.
Huh?
Miss,
Sorry?
if you make us get chocolates, miss,
Mira.
I'm not.
McDonald's coupon. All members of the team. Every member will get 1 coupon at least. Yes, you can actually use in McDonald's. Yes. Are you sure it's just a coupon? Okay, this coupon is not the type of coupon that is like 50% discount. No. This is, I don't know. You guys will see on that day. Okay? We will spend Monday and Thursday, meaning Monday, you guys can start building your bridge. Okay, how it works is that Monday, you guys come to the science lab, do whatever you need to, leave your bridge in the science lab. That means you guys are not allowed to bring it home. Okay, then you continue whatever you left on Thursday. So on that Thursday, I will decide who's the winner. Okay, maybe the first half an hour, you guys finish out whatever necessary. Yes. Okay. For those online, I got quiz for you guys, like Kahoot quiz.
Teacher, not fair.
That is the only thing I can do because I cannot think of anything else. Still writing. Wait. Okay. This is just wait. Let me share this first. Okay. Yes, my dear.
But wait, what's a strawberry?
Okay. This is a straw bridge. Okay. This is the straw bridge challenge. Okay. Now, if you guys wondering who will be the winner, okay, this is all the straw bridge that you can draw. Okay. This is the winning bridge. Okay, the winning bridge, number one, it must use plastic straw as a major component. That means if you want to use skewers. You know what skewers? You know satay sticks? You can use that, but make sure plastic straw is the major component. Meaning, at least more than 50% of your bridge must be of plastic straw. Okay, number two, it is able to carry weight. I will pick random objects to just put on it and see whether it lasts. Number three, attractive and beautiful exterior. So you can think of anything you want to color it, go ahead. You want to put stickers, go ahead. Anything that makes it look prettier.
Teacher, can we bring our own straws?
Yes, you can bring your own straws, but remember it's plastic straws. Okay, every materials that you need on that day, you guys must discuss it in a group and decide who brings what. Because if I were to prepare anything like one type of straw, I'm sure you guys wouldn't like that. You guys want different type of sizes, different type of colors. So I let it to you. You can take any color you want, any size, but make sure it's a plastic straw. No metal straw, no paper straws. Got it? Okay? Yes. What's that? Yes, hold on. Okay. Who haven't taken note of the homework yet? Okay, now. Okay, for those who haven't taken note of the homework yet, take note of the homework first. Then we will decide the group and you guys can sit. Okay, for those who come physically suddenly on Monday, I will assign you guys to the group. Munawir, are you coming on Monday? That's why. Okay, take note of the homework right now. Okay, I'll give you all a few minutes. Yes, my
Miss,
dear.
Miss,
Yes, English. Yes, English.
I have a question. Who would choose chocolates over McDonald's coupon?
Don't know.
Who? That's not even a fair comparison, Miss.
Is the chocolate peanut?
Don't know why. If you want, I can. It depends lah. If you want chocolate, I can get chocolate. If you want,
I don't want chocolate.
Because 6-2 they prefer McDonald's coupons. Of course lah, they prefer McDonald's coupons. But you guys, you really want chocolate, huh? No. Okay, okay.
No, we want the McDonald's coupon.
Yeah, right.
Just like McDonald's.
Yes, Havinesh.
Wait, Miss, I just have a question.
Yes, Vera, my dear. This is yes.
When is the coupon expiring?
Don't worry. I will give something that is valid. Not to worry. Yes, my dear.
Yeah, because I can't eat anything non-veggie for a while. So
When the algorithm is yes, very good. My dear. Come, Saraswati. Okay, I will decide now. How many people? Okay. Okay. Yes, Daniel. For detail can, but make sure majority of your strawberry must be plastic. Yes, exactly. Okay, okay, class. Daniel asks, can he use paper straws for the exterior? Can, as long as the structure itself is plastic straw. Got it? The moment the structure is made from anything other than plastic straw, it's disqualified. Okay. Now,
Teacher, but paper straws are worse than plastic.
13 odd number. Okay, one group have 3 or 4 people. So it should have 4, that means 4 groups. 4 groups of 3 or 4 people. Okay, you guys can decide. I won't assign, but those who come physically, like suddenly on Monday, that's the people that I will assign. Okay? You guys have your WhatsApp numbers and everything, right? You guys can go home, look up designs. I will show you a few videos, look up designs, decide on. Now you guys can start sitting and designing a bridge as a group. Then decide who buys what, who brings what, okay? Don't waste so much money on these straws are cheap. Okay, so just get the basic straws. Very cheap. It's very cheap.
Plastic straws.
Like the common plastic straws. Don't buy anything fancy, please. Don't. It will eventually waste your money. Just use very simple, straightforward plastic straws. No need to buy those squiggly straws or no. Just a simple, straight straws. Okay? You can, but it will just slow you down. Okay, for other than that, those who wondered, you can use hot glue gun? You can, but let me tell you, hot glue gun will slow you down. Okay, I would suggest using tape or Tic Tacs. You guys know Tic Tacs? You guys can use Tic Tacs. You can use glue, you can use tape, anything, but hot glue gun also can, but it will slow you down because you need to heat it up, pour it, then you will burn your hand only. Don't bring hot glue gun. Yes, Bridge beams. Okay, Andrea, you're not coming on. You're not coming, right? Not coming. Okay, class, you all decide your group. Andrea is not coming physically. Okay, so you all can decide now. Well, you all written the homework or not? Yes. Okay, done? Okay, let me show you what is a few videos on the straw bridge. Yeah. Okay, you guys, what is that? Havinesh, why you haven't run? Havinesh, okay, I want you to go home, open EMS or take it from your friends. Okay, let's see a few types. There's a few actually. No, it's not. It's possible. Like when I was in my previous school, I did this with 8-year-old kids and they are able to do. Don't worry. Okay, now. You guys can watch a few videos, go home and discuss also can, no problem. You guys got like 20 minutes. I'll give you 2 classes. That means on Monday and on Thursday. So today you can sit and discuss. We've already ended our class. Already ended our lesson. So now you can just sit. No? 9:15. Yeah. 1.5 hours. So that means, okay. Okay, wait. Okay, how long do you have time to make it is 1.5 hours, meaning 1 whole hour during Monday, half an hour on Thursday. The other half an hour on Thursday, we will do the judging. All the judging. So like the last minute. I might invite someone or it's just me. Okay, we'll see how. I might invite someone. Okay, now.
Miss, invite someone.
Okay, why? It's all about competition, huh?
Competition.
Blue, normal blue.
Wait, miss, so we can only use paper and plastic straws, right?
No, what did I say? Plastic straws is for structure. Paper straws is for exterior. Anything you want to put in your exterior, go ahead. You want to put, suddenly you want to put stickers also can. You want to put newspapers, you can. You want to add a plant also can. You want to add rocks also can, go up to you.
That animal.
That animal cannot allow. If you want to do an illustration also, it'll be cool. You want to put humans also can. Up to you. Seriously, up to you. Don't forget, one of the criteria is attractive. So make it as attractive as possible. Danish, no, not here. Hot glue gun will slow you down. You see how dirty it is? Like, really? I don't like using hot glue gun.
Miss.
Yes, Nitish, what's that?
Please, when you assign me to a group, just give me a group which can cooperate.
We will see how.
No, I don't want a group which just sits down, stays quiet for like.
But I don't think so lah. This 6th one will be competitive, so okay lah. You guys will be competitive, no problem.
Just gonna quiet.
No. Breach, I'll keep it in the sign. Okay? Yes. Wait, what happened now? What is that? Not 15 minutes, so you all can just discuss as a group. Yeah, choose a group and sit in a group and discuss.
Oh, then you have to tell go. Yeah,
Teacher,
Yes.
you have to tell them.
you want his phone number?
But
I have it.
yeah, I have to tell them. But I will see.
I have it here because I didn't have a page of the science.
You still have the phone number. Come on, check.
Guys, sit in your groups and start discussing. Don't waste time. How much your time already? Can. No problem. As long as you can guarantee you'll come. Yeah, choose. You choose. Minimum 3, maximum 4.
Explain that he already. Okay, you
guys want me to assign? You guys want me to assign?
No.
Thank you, please sit. Katrina, a question from Christina. Are you coming next week? She's not coming on Monday, right? Yeah, she's not coming on Monday. Katrina?
I'm not coming Monday, but if my brother is able to go, I will be coming next week on Tuesday.
Okay. She said she might come Tuesday onwards if her brother is okay. So it's not a 100% yes.
But if my brother won't okay, I'll force my parents to bring me.
Oh, okay. Alright. Obstacle course? No.
Can it be individual?
Individual? You guys want to do it individual?
No, only for one person. Daniel.
Why Daniel don't want to be in a group?
No, because I didn't think.
Because
for people.
who has 4 people?
Other group. Chris,
Okay, then Daniel join other group first. We'll see first. If anyone like if outside, because now one group we know enough. So for now, okay. No need one person out. Because if one person out, the other group only 2 will be weird. Okay? Join just any group you can make right now.
I want my sibling.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Boys, you all decided who has a group already?
Wait, are you not
Go ahead and discuss. Girls, who is your group? Okay, wait. Let me assign some of their groups now. Christina, even if Cat comes, Cat won't be in your group. But if Cat comes, Cat won't be in your group because your group is maximum, okay? Yes, my dear.
Can we use colorful ice cream sticks?
Ice cream sticks can as a decoration, not as. That means structure must be plastic straws.
Also decorate with the ice cream.
No, I just had an idea.
Alright, online team, you guys have. I'm so sorry. I wish I can do more interesting things, but you guys will be doing what you call Kahoot quizzes. Okay. Now, you guys don't have anything for me? Any questions? Don't forget to do your homework. When is it submitting? When is the submission date for your homework?
Monday.
Okay, good. All right. Thank you. For those online, you have my email. Submit it to my home email. Okay.
Okay. Bye, miss.
Bye. Thank you, online class. Bye.